Hi, this is Patrick from Inaxsys Security. Today we're going to be talking about something that's sometimes overlooked in security systems, mainly in videos, the network switches. Here we have our basic line of product for Inaxsys. It comes in 6 different models. So we have the basic 4 PoE switches, 4 PoE port with 4 ports and 1 uplink. We have the 4-port model with either copper or SFP uplink. And this one, what's pretty cool with it, you can install it on a DIN rail. So you can just clip it at the bottom of the panel. So it can stay like this, and you don't need to screw it anywhere. All you need is a little piece of DIN rail to hook it up. You have this model here, which is actually an 8 PoE switch, 8 ports with 2 uplinks. This one has a dual power input. So it comes with a power supply, and you can put a second one here, which is a great feature sometimes, because if you install this in the field, sometimes you may just put a small UPS. You power it from the regular circuit, then you put a UPS, then it protects the second output of it, or put it on generator, or for that matter. And this one also has an SFP module that's linked with port 10. So at least if you have fiber coming in, you put the SFP module, you plug in your fiber, and you're all done. You have this model here, the bigger model. This one is rack mountable 19-inch. It comes in 2 sizes, 16 and 24 ports. This one here is the 24 showing. You have 24 PoE ports with 2 uplinks coupled with 2 SFP modules. What's good with this switch, the 16 and the 24 ports are layer 2 manageable. Eventually we'll make more videos concerning each model, depending on the comments you leave on our website. So don't hesitate, leave comments. We can go deeper with different models, depending on your requests. Remember, Inaxsys is a distributor of ICT, Ajax, Legend, Archive. If you have any questions, contact your sales rep or contact us at inaxsys.com.